Hello guys, today I'm going to show you these outdoor porch lights. They are made of die-cast aluminum, okay, very high grade waterproof materials. They have glass on the top, which makes them even better because they can last longer. Since this is not plastic, this is not gonna fade or change colors because it's glass. You guys included the hardware, okay, the anchors and the electric wire caps, okay. You also get included 2 decorative screw nuts. Also, you get included the bracket that goes on the back. Installation is very simple. You're gonna get this bracket and put it on your electrical box, and once it's secure, then you're gonna insert your light right here, okay. You're gonna put your decorative screws right here and you're done. Okay, now the wiring is very simple. You have a ground, a white, and a black wire. You just have to follow those same colors to your existing house wiring and you are done with the wiring. These lights have 3 modes, okay? One of them is the off option, which is gonna be, the light's gonna be off until it detects some motion, okay? It does have a motion sensor on the front. It has a dusk to dawn option, and it also has an auto on function, which is gonna dim at certain level, okay, so that way the light is on but not fully on, and whenever it detects motion, then it's gonna go 100% bright. Now these lights are water resistant, okay, and very durable. Not only that, but they're sleek, modern, and aesthetic, okay. It's gonna make your house look much modern. Now let's go ahead and get them installed. Installation is very simple. All right, we're done with our 2 lamps. Now this is a motion sensor, and this is the button right here that you will press to change the modes. Also, something that I want to mention is that you can easily replace the bulbs just by taking this cap off from each one of the sides, and you can just easily get the light out and replace it with a very common light bulb. Okay guys, so it's nighttime and these lights actually look beautiful. Okay, they actually give a very modern accent to the house. Well, I hope that the information about this modern outdoor lights, was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching and see you on the next video.